And so this is the amount I was paid for last month, which is $213.32. So on this right here is the amount I've accumulated for this month, which is over $100. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel once again. It's me, Markkings, and you are welcome to a land of opportunities. In this channel, I share a lot of making money online opportunities, scholarship opportunities, and the rest. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a website that can pay you forever if you are ready to work. And this website I'm about to share with you now, the good thing about it is that it pays in dollars, and this website has paid me a chunk of money over the years. Not just 1 year, not just 2 years, not just 3 years. It has paid me over the years. Cumulatively, this website has paid me over $4,000 using it. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything you need to know about this website and how you're going to get your money. And one of the things about this website you need to know about that makes me very happy with this website is that they pay in so many ways. Bitcoin, direct transfer of your money, PayPal, and most of these their payment gateways are easy to use. So in this video, like I said before, I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything you need to know about this website to make your money. And before I get started, I would like to welcome you all to my channel, Marking Student Vlog, where opportunity lies. Like I pointed out before, I share a lot of opportunities here, both scholarship opportunities, making money online opportunities, and I also share other informative videos on how to do some stuff you need to know how to do, like how you can get your passport and the rest. Now, before I get started with this video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you're a new viewer, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and even tell your friends about this channel. So let's get right to the video. So guys, this is the website I'm talking about. The name of the website is called AdSterra. So AdSterra is a global ad network company that helps social media users to earn money from their social media pages. So if you are also a publisher of a website, I mean you have a website which you want to make money from, AdSterra is another great way to earn money. If you already have another way you're earning money from your site, AdSterra is an additional way for you to earn money from your site. And so far this month, this is the amount I've earned from this Astera, over $100. Now I'm going to be showing you everything I did to earn this money and how to register for this site. So keep watching. So first thing first, for you to join this site, the first thing you need to do is to head on to your browser, whether you're using Chrome or Pramini, any browser you're using, head on to your browser and type Astera, like I'm doing right now. Type Astera and then click on it. So this is what you're going to be seeing in the first page of Google results, which is their official website of Astera. So just click on it for you to get right into the site like I did right now. So once you click on it, this is what you're going to see on the site that shows you that this is the official web page of this site I'm talking about. So as someone who is going to be a publisher and not an advertiser, you're going to be signing up for as a publisher in this site. So the next thing you're going to do is just to click on the sign up located right there. So signing up, you're going to be signing up here is as a publisher, because you're going to be seeing an option whether to sign up as a publisher or as an advertiser. So but you're going to be signing up as a publisher, sorry, as a publisher in this website, because what you want to do is to actually make money and not to advertise anything. Unless you want to advertise anything, whether service or product, you can click on get started located right on the advertisers page. So we are going to be clicking on this publisher right there, located at the publisher part. So we've clicked on it, I've done it. So the next thing you're going to do is to sign up, because the only way you can actually make money from this site is to become a member. So what we are doing now is to sign up, which means to become a member of this site. So you're seeing what you're going to be inputting your details, your email address, your full name, your login, your password, and your messenger. Messenger here, I'm going to be showing you what messenger is all about, and then you're going to be imputing also your payment method. This one is not the kind of site where you are going to be looking for where you can cash out. The cash out is very transparent. So let's get right into inputting our details. So I'm going to be doing fast in inputting my details to avoid wasting your time, because right here I'm starting all over again to show you how the site actually makes money. So I'm inputting my details right here. So you're going to be inputting your details, your login, I mean everything right fast. So I'm going to be doing this as fast as possible in order not to waste your time. So this messenger has to do with your social media handle. So you're going to be inputting your active social media handle, whether it's Facebook, WhatsApp, anywhere. So you have to put one. So the next thing on the list and the sign up form is your payment method. So you have to input your payment method. You have to choose one, either bank transfer, web money, Bitcoin, Paxum, anyone you want. So me, I'm going to be choosing Bitcoin because that's the only easiest way to get your money from this Astera. So once you're done with everything you're doing right there, the next thing you're going to do is to click on sign up, like this right here. Click on sign up. So we are now fully signed on the website. As you can see right here, it says confirm your email. We just sent you a verification link to your email. Please check your inbox and check the link to get started. So I will now check my email to see the link sent to me. This link is what I'm also going to be using to do my final verification. So I'm in my email right now. So this is the email sent by the Astera team. So I will open it to see the link they are talking about. Now this is the link they are talking about. I will click on confirm to confirm it. So I've done that, and this is the message they sent to me. And this message goes like, the verification code is successfully confirmed. Wait until you are redirected to the login page or follow the link. So they will redirect us to the login page where we're going to log in and start using the Astera account. So now we are fully redirected to the login page of Astera Publishers account. So the next thing I'm going to do is to log in with the account I just created now. So I'm going to be logging into this account right now. So the password is what I'm inputting right now. And then always make sure you remember your password while you are creating your account, because it's very important for you to log in. Without that password, you can't log in. So I'll click on login. Now we are fully on the site. So welcome to the Astera dashboard. This is how the Astera dashboard looks like. So first thing first, there are so many ways you can earn money from this um Astera account, and we are going to be starting with one of the easiest way of making money in Astera, which is called link sharing, direct link sharing. So we're going to be clicking on it. So now we are at the direct link sharing tab. So this is one of the easiest way you can earn money from Astera, sharing link generated from the Astera dashboard. So this is the procedures you can take in order to generate the Astera direct link. Now the direct link is located at the left corner of the dashboard. I'm going to be showing you guys the direct link button right there. This is where you're going to generate the direct link of Astera. And one good thing about this link you're about to generate right now is that you can use it in any social media, anywhere, at any time, both on WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, or any other social media platform that you have. You can use the direct link there. So once people click on that link, you are sure to earn money without stress. Nobody's going to stress you in making money in this site. So once people click on it, you can earn money. Now let's proceed to generate our first direct link. Now we click on it. So this is what it will show me. Now these are the ads that will pop up once someone click on your link. So you're going to choose whether it's an adult advertisement that people who clicks on your link is going to be seeing, or non-adult advertisement that they are going to be seeing. Because once someone clicks on your link, the link you generated, it's either they see adult advertisement or non-adult advertisement. But at the end of the day, they are going to be seeing an advertisement on their phone. So you choose the one you are going to be using. So as for me, I'm going to be choosing adult advertisement, so as to see adult advertisement, because people I'm advertising it to right now are just adults. So once I choose the one I want, the category I want, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on add. So once you click on add, this is what you're going to see. We are reviewing your request. Please wait 1 to 3 minutes and refresh this page to ensure the link is active. You will receive an email upon approval. So they will have to review your request and accept it before you can start using the link you just generated. And it only takes 1 to 3 minutes for your request to be reviewed. So this is the first step in trying to use this direct link to earn money. They are done reviewing the link. So this is the link right on your face on your screen right there. So the only thing, the only job you have here now is just to click on copy, which means to copy this link and then keep pasting it on your various social media handles. Now, if you don't want to be posting it for people to be clicking it, you can actually run a Facebook ad. I'm going to be teaching you that one on my next video. So you're going to run a Facebook ad that people can click on that link and then watch those ads. That's the only work you have here to make money with this direct link. Once you copy it there, just keep posting it in any social media handle of yours, your pages, just keep posting it there. As long as people keep clicking on those links, you're going to be making your money. So that's how easy it is to make money using this direct link. Now let's explore other ways you can make money using the Astera website. So another good way you can earn money using this Astera website is through referral program. Now referral program, if I may say, is the easiest among every other ways you can earn money in the Astera website. So the referral program allows you to refer others to the Astera site. Once they sign up for the program, then you earn your share of Astera money. So that's how easy referral program is. Now you can see the referral link there where I'm going to generate the referral link. So what I'm going to do now to generate my referral link, the only thing I'm going to do is just to click on generate link. As you can see, I've generated a referral link that I can use to invite anybody to the Aster website to sign up, and then I will get a commission in return for their sign up. So that link, once I share it to any of my social media handle and someone signs in using that link, I will instantly make a commission from the person sign up. So that's how easy it is to make money using the referral link program of the Astera. So once you publish it anywhere and someone clicks on it, uses it to sign up to the Astera account, you instantly get a commission for your sign up. So that's it for the referral link. So the last but not the least way you can use to earn money in this website is through becoming a web publisher. Becoming a web publisher in the sense that you become a blogger. Now, for you to become a blogger, you need to have a website. And this part is also easy to do, but the truth is that if you haven't done it before, it will look so complex for you. So I wouldn't say that this part is that easy, but it's also very, very easy because I also use it to earn money through this website. Now, if you would like to learn more about this particular part, which is becoming a web publisher by having a website, I would like you to indicate on the comment section so that I can do a complete video on how to become a blogger and earn money through blogging. So that's how easy it is to earn money from Astera website. So if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll be right there to reply all your questions. with the best of my knowledge about this website. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it very helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're a new viewer. Thanks for watching once again, and bye for now.